Hi students, today we are going to discuss about a case study on a role of wireless communication, networking and sensing technologies for rapid pandemic response. Okay, first of all, during the pandemic, the World Health Organization has declared COVID-19 as a pandemic and almost all the countries across the globe have been affected by the virus, both socially and economically. Many countries in Europe like Italy, Spain, Germany, France and UK, and in North America like the United States and Canada have declared a full or partial lockdown, and including India, they have advised their people not to leave their home unless necessary. And in this difficult time, these telecommunication networks have been identified as a critical service. Mobile and fixed broadband networks have played a key role to enable a rapid transition of work from physical offices to digital platforms. The sensing capabilities of the current smartphones are being utilized to enable mobile cloud sensing for extracting, sharing and analyzing data during the ongoing pandemic. And we explored new applications ranging from self-reporting of symptoms to coordinating and tracking essential personnel or volunteers or patients are being developed and rapidly deployed. Here the sensing capabilities are also being exploited for contact tracing and early isolation of infected people or areas. Here a wide range of social and educational applications are also being launched to deal with the mental, physical and health related issues under this lockdown. Okay, and while current communication and sensing technologies have been relatively successful to cope with the demands, several areas for improvement have already started to emerge. For instance, multimedia content providers are being asked to reduce their quality of streaming services to alleviate a possible congestion. This issue may be addressed by the deployment of local caching capability and cross-layer optimization in the network architecture, and local connectivity capabilities through device-to-device communication could also assist in addressing potential congestions. Here, such technologies are still in infancy and have not attained maturity for rapid deployment. There is significant room for innovation and improvement in connectivity and sensing services to enable a rapid deployment of new applications. Here, addressing a pandemic situation requires capabilities which transcend the traditional notion of public safety networking currently being explored by 3GPP for 5G release 15. And here, this telecommunication aims to provide a platform for wireless communications. Emerging technologies and sensing technologies can be either adapted or enhanced to quickly tackle current pandemic situation due to COVID-19 or present new promising developments that enable telecom infrastructure and sensing capabilities to better assist in combating future pandemics. The rapid publication timeline could also allow proposed technologies, architectures and algorithms at higher TRLs to be immediately explored for tackling on the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. At the end, we listed some applications and some real-time applications during the pandemic with the help of telecommunication and sensing technologies, also in wireless communication, to avoid the pandemic and COVID-19 situation of COVID-19. Here we have some applications. We have ultra reliable low latency communication for telesurgery or robotic surgery and telemedicine, and we have artificial intelligence and machine learning driven communication networks for outbreak prediction, sensing and emerging evacuation of quarantine instructions, and we have artificial intelligence and machine learning inspired without human in the loop communications and sensing architectures for autonomous decisions like early disease diagnosis and management. And also we have molecular communications and bio-inspired sensors for e-health related pandemic applications. And also we have 5G and beyond technologies for contact tracing, tracking and monitoring, for example proximity and localization techniques. We have privacy preservation techniques for location based services, contact tracing and tracking or monitoring the people or systems. Also we have distributed ledger technologies like blockchain for end-to-end scalable traceability solutions. Okay. And we have some wireless and multimedia networks for pandemics. Here artificial intelligence and machine learning enabled self-organizing networks for deployment, management and maintenance of the wireless networks for temporary infrastructure. And also we have flying platforms such as drones or UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, for access and black hole communication networks and sensing for temporary networks. And also we have satellite communications for global connectivity during pandemics, such as rural and remote areas connectivity for society. We have architectures, technologies and optimization approaches for emerging multimedia applications and services. For example, virtual reality, augmented reality and 3D holographic content. And we have multi-access edge computing, new applications and use cases related to pandemics. Okay, and also we have some points for remote monitoring and without human in the loop system for pandemics. And thus rapid deployment of new services in citizens, broadband radio services, spectrum bands, and also we have lower power wired area networks, LPWAN use cases and applications for remote condition monitoring, for example patients and business health monitoring system. And we have co-design of communication and control technologies for robotic systems and their applications for pandemic control and management. Also we have massive machine type communication, MMTC, and industrial IoT for autonomous decisions in smart systems like health, transport and energy. And also we have co-design of communication and control technologies for robotic systems and their applications for pandemic control and management. We have vehicle to infrastructure and vehicle to grid communications for autonomous cars and electric vehicles and their applications for pandemic. Okay, and here in this pandemic we use self-organizing networks, ultra reliable low latency communication, industrial IoT, massive machine type communications, multimedia communications, and AI/ML driven healthcare network, contact tracing, tracking and localization techniques for improving the communication between communication in pandemic situation. Okay, here we have some points to be discussed. Okay, like during this pandemic situation. During this pandemic situation, this mobile and fixed broadband networks have played a key role to enable rapid transition of work from physical offices to digital platforms. Thus, sensing capabilities of the current smartphones are being utilized to enable mobile crowd sensing for extracting, sharing and analyzing data during the ongoing pandemic. New applications ranging from self-reporting of symptoms of COVID-19 to coordinating and tracking essential personnel or volunteers or patients are being developed and rapidly deployed. Here the sensing capabilities are also being exploited for contact tracing and early isolation of infected people or areas. Wide range of social and educated applications are also being launched to deal with mental and physical health related issues under the lockdown. Okay. Thank you.